How you doing?
See ya.
Yeah, you too.
You met him at...
Oh yeah. Yeah, I remember now. Yeah. Yeah.